This would be the 3 strands, and then that would be braided. So we're dealing with a 9-strand weave with the twist in the middle to make it look really interesting. This was one variant that I was looking to do. Okay, normally just going an inch past because it's an open cuff bracelet. So you lose about an inch off the bottom. So average bracelet is somewhere between a 7 and an 8. That means that I would need between a 6 and a 7 if this is a straight, but with a braid, it extends quite a bit. Kind of feeling like I need to go with a 10-inch wire to do it right. And if I wind up with extra bits, I'll just deal with it. Okay. There we go. So this is what we're dealing with now. At least they're in bundles. And we'll see what this looks like. That is what we just wove with twisted wire in between 2 strands of normal wire to make a pretty nifty looking braid. So we started out with 10 inches of wire and we wound up with 8 of braided. There we go, 8 of braided. That's pretty good, but I probably needed more like 6. So what I need to do is level this out, take all of these odd pieces and close my eyes as I do this. Because you know, that's safety. It's just closing your eyes. Nothing bad happens then. So I think I'm going to cut it right here. I'm usually a pretty good judge of bracelet size. There we go. So, not much. We'll see. We'll play with that. Play with that another point. Now, what I want to do before I do any forming is solder my ends. I'm going to be putting basically like an end cap over this. But for now, I want to solder those bits so that nothing unravels. Yeah. We need end caps on the bugger because that is really rough. That's not fun. But heating this, dousing it, little extra strength to it. All right, so basically what we're doing to finish the cuff up that we started on Friday, I need to smooth this out, make a nice smooth surface, and then we're going to use a bit of bezel wire. There, if I pop you back out a little bit. There we go. Put a little bezel wire to finish off the cuff, and then that's going to go on the ends too. Yeah, went perfectly. We've finished the bracelet that we started on Friday with pretty shiny, super shiny end caps. I'm pretty pleased with it. I think this will become a normal product in the store. I actually enjoyed making it once I figured out how to do the end caps without the torch going out.